everybody. Wanted to give you some practice with solving what we're calling two-step equations, but really the rules are completely the same, just refer to them as multi-step. So we're going to start with one that if I just gave it to you, you would probably be a little scared. But let's look at it and break it down logically. X divided by 3 plus 1.5 equals 2.75. When you look at a fraction as a division problem, it's a little less scary. Now, going off of what we talked about before in my beginning video, we want to go after what's on the same side as X, but not touching it, right? You don't want to give away your position by harming the bodyguard before you get the guard at the gate. So on this side of the equation, hanging around with X like it's not supposed to be, is 1.5. It is a positive 1.5. The inverse operation of that, using the subtraction property of equality, is minus 1.5, minus 1.5. Okay? So now I have X over 3 equals, that's a 5, that's a 2, it's a 1, 1.25. Okay, now we get to the bodyguard. At this point, X is being divided by 3. Well, the opposite of dividing by 3 is multiply by 3. So I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 3. Multiplying this side by 3 cancels out that denominator, which was the entire point, and we have X isolated. You have freed X. The value of freed X is 3.75. Now, on this next one, I purposely did it just to show you X does not always have to be on the left. For some reason, as teachers, as people who write textbooks, we tend to do that. It doesn't need to happen. So again, we're going to look at the equation. What is on the same side of the equality symbol as X, but not touching it? Oh, a negative 5. The opposite of negative 5 is add 5. What I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other to keep it balanced. So now I have 12 equals 3x. Oh, and this is one of those easy one-step ones that you guys wanted to do in your head. Well, right now it's 3 times x. In order to untimes something, to use a non-mathematical term, I'm going to use the inverse. I'm going to divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. These cancel each other out. So the value of x is 4. I hope that helps, gives you a little more practice.